Hello everyone, welcome back to ParsecGames, and in today's episode, which is episode 12 of our Five Nights at Freddy's tutorial series, we'll be looking at how to code Chica's AI. So let's have a look inside. Last time we did everything that has to do with Bonnie, and now we're going to have a look at Chica. And the way we're going to do that is pretty simple. We're just going to go to our Bonnie AI sprite, right click it, duplicate it, call it Chica. Let's move it over here as well. Oh, that doesn't work still. Okay, Scratch 3.0 still having problems. I'm not sure how long it's been out, but it still has some bugs, but whatever. So now basically what we're just going to do is we're going to go into this AI, which we originally programmed for Bonnie, and we're just going to change every variable and everything so that it fits for Chica. Because Bonnie's and Chica's AI are basically the same thing, just with different variables in different rooms. So we can basically keep what we've already done. So let's start over here and make a new variable called Chica timer. And now let's replace every Bonnie timer with a Chica timer instead. Like that. Now let's have a look over here. Let's also replace Bonnie timer with Chica timer once again. Now we need a new variable called Chica random. And I think Chica AI should already exist. Yep. Over Chica random or Chica AI equals Chica random. And I think Chica should be element 3 of animatronics. Broadcast Chica underscore move. Set Chica timer to 0. And now we'll have a look at the rooms which Chica can enter, because that's going to be put into this list, which we will also have to change its name. So we're going to make a new list called Chica rooms, and then just replace everything with Chica rooms, Chica rooms, Chica rooms. And let's have a look at the rooms that Chica can enter. So let's have a look at this sprite over here. So I obviously know I'm a huge Fnaf fan, so obviously I know by heart where she can go. It's 1B, 7, 6, 4A, and 4B. Let's remember that. Okay, so we're going to add in 1B is already here. Next is going to be 7, which is the bathroom. 6, which is the kitchen. 4A, which is I guess East Hall. I don't know, the hall on the right. And then the right corner. These are the rooms that Chica can go to. And now we're going to replace everything here with Chica stuff. Chica move. Add in 3 of animatronics. Chica move. And here, every time you're going to have to replace it with a 1 instead of a 2. 3 instead of a 2, sorry. 3 instead of a 2. 3, 3, 3, 3. Don't forget it over here. And now I'm typing a 4 for whatever reason. It's a 3, trust me. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Can get rid of that. 3, 3. Now that we've done that, 2B, the equivalent. So for Chica this was 2. So for Bonnie this was 2B, but for Chica the equivalent would be 4B. And we're gonna have to look at the right button, not the left button. Let's see, right button, and then replace this with Chica rooms. Same thing over here, Chica rooms. This has to be 4B or 6 or 7. So just copy that like this, so that you can add another or in between, like that. Now replace that with Chica rooms once again. 4B, right button. So basically, as you can tell, what we're doing right now is just going through the whole script, and just every time we specify that it would be for Bonnie, we're gonna change it over to Chica. Here we need a new variable called Chica Dorsker. I'm not sure why the font is so small over here. I'm not a fan of that. Oh, that's better. New variable called Chica Dorsker. Replace this. And replace this with Chica jump scare. Oh, whoops. Chica jump scare of Chica rooms. Okay, let's see if there's anything else over here. No. And over here. No. So I think we've already done Chica's AI now. What we need to check now is that the rooms can actually display Chica as having entered the room. So we're going to start with cam 1B, which is the first sprite around here. And as you can see, we've already added this, which is very good. Let's have a look at 1A. We've already added Chica as well. 5. And obviously Chica can't enter 5, cam 5. So that's why we haven't added her. However, cam 7, she can enter, and we have her over here. I don't know why I did the 1600. I could have just done 160, but okay. You can keep it if you add it between 1000 and 600, but it just doesn't really make a difference. Let's have a look at cam 6. And this is the disabled camera. And what we're going to do now is we're going to import the sound which plays when Chica is in the kitchen, which should be in animatronics, Chica, these 4 sounds. Yep, sounds pretty good. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to have this repeatedly playing around any of the 4 sounds just randomly picked. So we're going to start playing, and make sure to choose play sound until done, not start playing. Make sure you choose this one. And pick random between 1 and 4 because we have 4 sounds. And then we're just going to have it wait a random amount because we don't want to have it. Now it's interrupting my sentence. We don't want to have it playing sounds the whole time. So we're just going to put in a little pause here, for example, between 2.5 and 6.5 seconds. And then it will start playing that again. And obviously in the beginning, this sprite is going to have its volume at 0. And we're just going to add another thing, which is going to have a check whether Chica is in whether Chica is in the kitchen. So we're going to have to check item 3 of animatronics. If that equals 6, that means that we're going to change the volume to 100. We're going to put that right here. And then we're going to also add another start game loop, which is going to check if Chica has left the kitchen. So just add a not in front of that. And then we're slowly going to turn down the volume of the kitchen sounds. And now what we're going to do is we're going to scrap pretty much all of what has to do with the sound, because if you're actually looking at the kitchen camera, you can actually hear Chica in the kitchen a lot louder than if you have the camera down or if you're looking at a different camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in Chica kitchen volume. And now every time we change the volume over here, we're just going to replace it with that variable. Gauge and volume. So we set the volume to 0 here, so we're going to replace that with this variable here. And also change volume. We're also going to have to change the variable. Gauge and volume by -10. And then the same thing over here. I hate when I start playing that. Okay, over here like this. And now what we're going to do is that if you're looking at the camera, I'm going to check if the camera is up. So if the variable camera up equals 1, camera up, where is it? Camera up equals 1, and camera menu select equals 6. Equals 6, camera menu select, like that. If that's the case, it's going to just set the volume of the sprite to this variable right here. And then we're going to check if the camera is up. It's going to set it to half of that. And otherwise we're just going to set it to a third of that. So that now means that with the variable we can control whether there's going to actually, it's basically the variable shows you whether Chica is actually making sounds or not. So if it's at 100, she's making sounds, and if it goes down to 0 again, she's not making sounds. And then this script is going to determine whether or not we actually hear those sounds, or how loud we actually hear those sounds, depending on if we're looking at the camera or not, or looking at the office or a different camera. So that's just gonna be put in here, and that should work now. Now let's have a look at the other cameras. Now 2A, Chica can get to 2A, 3 also, same thing, 1C also same thing, 2B. Now 4B and 4A we need to look at. And now 4B, we have her twitching over here, so that should hopefully work. And then for A, we also have Chica over here. Now, what we need to add as well is that the office needs to be able to actually show you Chica being in the door. So let's have a look. We still need to import that frame. So let's have a look. Fnaf, textures, office. Where's the office? Here. And now let's have a look. That's the one, 227. Okay. And now we can just look how we did it for Bonnie, and basically just copy the same thing for Chica. So we can take this part right here, which checks that the left button is on and the right button is off. We can just copy paste that and replace this part right here with that. And now we're basically just once again inverting everything. So 0 becomes 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1. If item 3 of animatronics, and 227, 0, 1, 0, 0. And this is gonna actually be useless, but we're just gonna keep it anyways, because this is actually never gonna happen, because we already checked whether both are off. Then we check if one of them is on, and then if the other is on, and actually they can't be on at the same time. We're just gonna leave this here. Why not? I don't want to get rid of it, because I hate when there's a little space here left after the else. So we're just going to keep it even though it doesn't do anything. And now what we're going to add is the Chica door jump scare, which is just a small jump scare. And the way we're going to do that is we're basically once again going to take over what we did for the left button and add it to the right button. For example, I'm going to add these sounds over here. And the broken button sound as well. Yep. And now let's have a look. And let's just copy paste this part into that. I'm surprised now it works actually, copying stuff into different sprites. At least it works this time. And we're just going to put that in here, and once again replace everything. Left button becomes right button, and same thing as always. Right button. right button, right button, right button. Item 3, Chica door scare, Chica door scare. And here we have to actually choose left button, because this turns off the left button when we activate the right button, or the light of the right button. So we need to also invert these. Left button. I'm kind of blind, I think. I just don't see this stuff sometimes. I don't know why. And now what we also need to add is that we actually we actually set Chica door scare to 1 at the beginning of the game. Let's have a look. Chica door scare, set it to 1. And now what we're also going to add is that if Chica is already in your office and you haven't noticed yet, you can't actually close your door anymore, and it's going to play this sound effect right here. And we've already added that to the left button. And if you haven't added that, you missed the last tutorial, which was in between episode 11 and this one, which was called Fix Your Fnaf project now. That's a tongue twister. I've never said that out loud. That's terrible. But anyways, if you've missed that, it's up there in the iCard on the top right. It's going to appear right now. Suck. And there it is. So now let's copy this part over here from the left button, which is gonna go right there, like this. And we also only need this part from the top, and the rest, which was in here, can go in here. I hope you can follow me right now, because this it's a lot of moving stuff around and just copying parts of it. But let's replace this with 3. Right button. So once again, we're just replacing everything so that it fits the right button. Right door open, right door close. Right button. I think I'm legally blind or something. I never see the see what I'm looking for. Okay. And now what we need to add is just Chica's jump scare, and I think that would be it for today already. So let's rename this new sprite to Chica jump scare, and let's import the frames, textures, jump scares, Chica, and import all these frames like this. There you go. And I hope they're going to be in order this time, because sometimes Fnaf just decides to, Scratch just decides to shuffle them around, but I think they actually came out in order this time. Okay, so they have been improving it a little bit, Fnaf 3.0, Scratch, I keep saying Fnaf, I mean Scratch 3.0, Scratch 3.0, they keep saying it wrong. And now we can basically just copy everything from Bunny over there as well. And once again, replace everything with Chica stuff, so Chica jump scare. Let's switch to costume 65. And how many frames do we have? We actually have 15 frames, okay? So actually, apparently Chica's jump scare is a bit longer than Bonnie's. That's interesting. Okay, and I think that should be it now. We're just gonna test it out. I'm gonna just set Chica's AI to like something really high, like 19 or 20, just to see her actually do stuff. Set it to 20, and let's show the animatronics list to see if Chica moves, which is okay. So now she's moved to 1B. Now she's in the kitchen. Let's see if we're gonna hear the sounds. Yep, I hear them. Okay, now she moved to 4B and disabled our camera, so I'm just gonna put it down for a moment. Okay, now she's in 4B. She's probably gonna be in the door in just a moment. No, she went back to 1A. Okay, 1B, I mean. Interesting, okay. So she's kind of playing with your mind, obviously. That's not just random number generators, no. That's Chica playing with your mind, playing tricks on you. You think she's gonna be in your door, but now she's back in the kitchen again. Let's have a look at the kitchen. Now she's playing, okay, now she's back to 4B. Wow, this is really getting interesting. Imagine this was actually going on with all 4 animatronics. This is just one moving around. Oh, now she's in the door. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the light. It's gonna make the sound effect. Yeah, and there she is. And now I'm just gonna close the door to make sure Chica doesn't get into the office, because that would be a horrible bug. Let's see Chica leave, please. You can leave now. Come on. Come on. Please leave. Why isn't Chica leaving? I need to... Okay, I'll have a look at the script. Is there something wrong? No, she just keeps going back to the door? Yeah. Okay, so Chica is just randomly staying in the door for the last 5 or 6 movement opportunities. Is this actually happening? That's pretty scary. Is she gonna leave now? I'm already at 78%. It's just one animatronic. Come on. Leave. Oh, this can't be right. How on earth is she not moving? What? Now she moved? I went down like 20%. Holy shit. Sorry for cursing, kids. I'm just gonna leave the door open. I mean, I have no chance of winning anyways. Okay, she's now in the door. Can't speak. Now she's in the door. Okay, scary sound effect once again. Is she gonna enter the office now? Now she's in the office. So I think if I lower the camera, I'm gonna die. Yeah. Except it didn't play the screen because this sprite does not have the sound effect yet. Because we still need to add that. So the jump scare was a lot less scary than I'm used to. But at least it worked. Okay, let's restart that. And now, one more thing, we're just gonna check that it works. But that was kind of scary. Chica staying in the door for so long. That was terrible. But now we're just gonna check that Chica, when she's in the office, actually disables your buttons. Let's wait till she gets into your office. Or into my office. Which is a lot scarier. Okay, now she's in my office. And the buttons don't work anymore. I'm just gonna open the camera and close it again so she jump scares me. Yeah, okay, that worked. Okay, so we're finally, I mean, didn't take long, but we're finally done with Chica's AI now. So I guess next episode is going to be Freddy's AI probably, and then we're pretty much done, I think. I think maybe we'll add some finishing touches, like actually being able to save your game. I don't know if we added that yet, but yeah, if you watched all this way through the tutorial, I want to thank you. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and like this video because it helps me out a lot. And makes me feel good knowing there's actually people watching these. So anyways, see you in the next video, and yeah, have fun.